Let's learn the names of some yummy fruits today. Are you seeing fruits now? This is an apple, red apple. Apple is red, round, and very sweet. Can you say apple? Apple. Here comes an orange tangerine. Orange is round and full of vitamin C. Let's say it together. Orange. Wow, look at the king of fruits, the mango. Mango is juicy and very tasty. Repeat after me, mango. Here's a banana. Bananas are yellow and full of energy. Say it with me, banana. This is a watermelon. Watermelon is green outside, red inside, and so refreshing. Let's say it, watermelon.